So today I'm showing you guys 3 of my current favorite breakfasts. These are all super delicious, easy, and good for you too. So let's go ahead and jump into these healthy breakfast recipes. So first off, we're making this smoked salmon bagel. Guys, I love me a good smoked salmon bagel. This was a weekend morning. I remember it. I'm slicing this paleo bagel. I use the Unbun brand because I know I'm going to get questions. So this is the brand here. It's called Unbagels. The brand is Unbun. They're paleo, keto, grain-free, gluten-free, and all that. So I just pop that in the toaster. And then I have been putting on this smoked jalapeno cream cheese. It's a vegan cream cheese. It's based out of cashews, and it is so delicious. And what I want to highlight here is that there really are amazing brands that you can buy that can make breakfast really easy. So, getting the gluten-free, or paleo bagel, having the dairy-free cream cheese, and then putting that on with some smoked salmon. The smoked salmon also feels extra fancy and fun, adds some protein in there. And then for flavor, I'm adding on some lemon juice on to the top of that. And then I sprinkle on some of the everything but the bagel seasoning, which is so delicious. And then I finish it off with some green onion. I love this combo of the everything bagel with the green onion, the smoked jalapeno cream cheese, and the smoked salmon. It makes for a very delicious little breakfast or even a brunch. And next up, we are making seedy porridge. Guys, seedy porridge is like my ride or die during the week breakfast. I'm starting off with some almond milk. I love the milk almond milk. It is super creamy and really makes this seedy porridge extra delicious. I add in some chia seeds for some flavor, some omega-3 hemp hearts, then some flax and some collagen. So the blend of the chia, hemp, and flax adds protein, healthy fats, fiber. We've got collagen for some protein, a little vanilla for flavor, all my almond milk, and I just stir that over a medium heat for a few minutes, and then it will start to thicken. Once it thickens again after about 2-3 minutes, I put that in a bowl, and then I'll add on some nut butter on the top and usually some berries, either blueberries or raspberries or strawberries, kind of whatever I have on hand. Lately, I've been using this peanut butter because I've been giving it to my dog, Akasha, and I smell peanut butter all the time because it's in her Kong, and now I eat it now. And then I'm adding on some organic blueberries and some cacao nibs for some fiber and some antioxidants. Put that in a bowl. It's so warm and comforting. It fills me up for hours, especially when it is cold. I live in Toronto, and it is 1 Fahrenheit or minus 30, so it is quite chilly. And then the nut butter kind of melts into the warm porridge. Then we are making Shakshuka, which sounds complicated, but I don't know why I don't eat this more often. I'm heating up a pan to medium heat. I'm just using a mini cast iron, and I'm adding some onion and some garlic and cooking that until it's a little bit more translucent. Adding in some cumin along with some smoked paprika, adding that in, and then I'm adding in some diced tomatoes, so about half a can of diced tomatoes, and just stirring that together until the onions are fully cooked. And this only takes about 3-4 minutes, and then the onions really start to heat through. I add in some eggs, and then I pop that in the oven, and I only pop it in for about 7 minutes until the eggs are cooked, and then you have this wonderfully yolky egg with the warm tomatoes. Guys, this is so easy to do and so delicious as well. So underrated. You guys are going to love it.